For the next Tony Stark, I trust you. Say Edith. Hello?
Hello, Peter. I am Edith, Tony Stark's augmented reality security and defense system. Edith stands for Even Dead, I'm the Hero. Tony loved his acronyms.
Yeah, he did.
Stark chose you. He made you an Avenger. I need that. The world needs that. Maybe Stark was wrong.
Everywhere I go, I see his face. And the whole world is asking who's going to be the next Iron Man. And I don't know if that's me happy. I'm not Iron Man.
Tony was my best friend. He second-guessed everything he did. He was all over the place. The one thing that he did that he didn't second-guess was picking you.